So welcome to Emilee and Lora. I'm Emilee.
And I am Lora.
Please like and subscribe. We love your support and we really appreciate it. And all of the links for everything will be down below.
So our first tablescape is kind of a glitzy glam holiday tablescape.
Yes, and it's great because it can be used all winter. It can be used for New Year's. You can take off like
totally
the
do this for
ornaments and boom, you got New Year's. Very soft, very glitzy, awesome.
Yeah.
And the next one is more woodland theme, like very natural, slightly rustic, has a little bit of glitter still in there. We couldn't help it.
But it has a lot of natural elements like pine cones and lovely fresh greenery that just makes the table smell amazing but not overwhelming at the same time. So we're super excited to show you both of them. So if you watched any of our videos in the past, you know that Emilee and I love to do tablescapes. We've done summer tablescapes, we've done Thanksgiving tablescapes, but we've never done Christmas tablescapes.
Not like this, at least. This is the most glam we've gone, so it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is, and super simple. If you saw our Thanksgiving tablescape, and if you haven't, please go and check it out. We are using the same runner, the same placemats, the same dishes, glasses, everything's the same with the exception of we've changed the silverware this time.
Yeah, you know, let's get real. We are kind of coming out of COVID and we just wanted to make things simple. And by using the same kind of foundation, we can make two totally different tablescapes for the Christmas holiday. And now with this one, we even can use it through New Year's if you want.
Yeah, that's what's so great about this. All you have to do is take the Christmas balls away.
Yes.
And keep the snowflakes in there.
Yes.
And you've got New Year's or you have a Christmas party. And we took white feathers and then we had these silver and gold feathers that we included in there to kind of glam it up even more, give that sparkle.
This is kind of black and white and silver and gold, and it just kind of gives that contrast, but still very soft.
We used our linen napkins again. Here's our ornaments that we made. So we just took our snowflakes and our little Christmas bows that we're using on the table already, and we tied them together with this black velvet. And then we had this ribbon that we used on our Christmas video last year.
Oh, which is another video you have to check out.
Yeah, so we've just repurposed a lot of our stuff, and this is how we did it.
Every once in a while, Laura and I stumble upon something that is like a must-have.
Yeah.
Right? Whether it's decor, entertaining, makeup, or like whatever it is. But this one, I found.
Share it.
Yeah,
it's like,
we have to shout
share it
from the rooftop. So this one is a wine holder chiller bucket. The only thing that I had never really seen before is this compartment that goes on top. That is so that you can put 6 bottles all upright, but still chilled at the bottom.
What I love about it is that you take that off and now you have a really killer bowl.
Yes.
Right? You could do anything in this.
Absolutely. Multi-purpose.
Yeah.
We love that.
Love multi-purpose stuff. So now we're going to show you a rustic Christmas tablescape. Everything is the same as we've said over and over again. Yeah, we created these really cool little napkin rings. So we just got these at Michael's. Then we took Christmas balls that we already had.
Yep.
Tied them on with some twine. And there's your napkin ring together with our linen napkin. I think that's like the perfect introduction to this.
Oh
right?
yeah, absolutely, because it's the rustic element with a little bit of sparkle, which is just overflowing into the centerpiece.
So our garland right here, we wanted to bring in some lights without being overwhelming. It was kind of the inspiration for everything, right? So we found this garland and it had the little Christmas ball that was really glittery on there, and then the little twinkle lights.
Twinkle lights, yeah. On a wire, so it's kind of moldable, which gives us a little bit of height, but we always like to be able to see who we're talking to across the table.
Yeah.
So we really love low profile centerpieces.
Exactly. I mean, pretty much everything Emilee and I do are low profile.
We want it to be functional.
Yeah, I think the tallest one we've ever had was the one we did right before this, which was our, glitzy glam Christmas.
With the feathers,
right?
but you know what? It's like then you have to move them off the table if you're gonna have this kind of,
or
conversation.
Trying to peek at people between them.
So
right?
so we use this twine light with pine cones as our inspiration for the centerpiece and found some amazing greenery at the store.
Beautiful,
just like
gorgeous.
a winter mix of
Yes.
eucalyptus and these other beautiful elements, and just layered it in, almost braided it together in the center.
So then we used our little tea lights that we used for Thanksgiving. So if you haven't seen our Thanksgiving tablescape for this year, we actually made one for last year as well. So please go look at that one as well. The eucalyptus, you can smell it. It's subtle. You know, you could put other types of greenery, but you don't want anything to smell too strong and too pungent when you're eating.
Yeah.
And the eucalyptus is just clean and nice.
Yeah, and you don't want anything to fight with the Christmas tree smell that you probably already have in your home.
Right.
And that's in another room, so it allows the food to take over. But the eucalyptus is another element that's used in a lot of scents of teas and foods, so it blends really well.
Right, right. And in our last tablescape, we used the silver placeware, and here we use the gold placeware.
Yeah.
Still, the plates, the napkins, and the placemats are the same. The table runner is the same. But here you go. You can see how it was super simple. This probably took us about 10 minutes to put together.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
This took a little time to put these together, but I mean, we had it done within 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So all very simple. So we hope that you've enjoyed our holiday tablescapes, and
We had so much fun doing that.
oh, I know.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of fun, and I'm ready to eat.
Yeah. And drink our wine. So thank you
Yes.
for joining us, and we hope we inspired you to do your tablescape this year.
Yes. Cheers to all of you. Happy holidays.
Yes.